We're super excited about our next project. It's going to create jobs. It's going to be fun. It's involved in a beer brewery. How fun is that, right? What's going on, everybody? It's Matt Faircloth. Welcome to the Cash Flow Digest. And gratitude. If you guys are watching the show on Spotify and watching the video on Spotify, thank you. Even better, listening and watching this program live. We broadcast live at noon Eastern Standard every Friday at DeRosa Insiders. Thank you. Quadruple, 10x. Thank you squared for being a part of our insiders community. Jump over to Facebook and join DeRosa Insiders. Transitioning, going to pop in a video talking about the deal of the month, a phenomenal investment vehicle. This is not a pitch to invest. This is just telling you guys something that we're up to and about a strategy we're using for growing the DeRosa Income Fund, the DIF. That is our income fund that invests in value add projects all across the country. We're super excited about our next project. It's going to create jobs. It's going to be fun. It's involved in a beer brewery. How fun is that, right? So we're going to be talking about the next DeRosa Income Fund investment. If you guys want to hear more about DeRosa Income Fund, that's for accredited investors only. Go to DeRosaGroup.com/DIF, DIF.
What's going on, everyone? Vincent Celeste here, Investor Relations and Sales Manager at DeRosa Group. Very excited to present to you all another DeRosa Income Fund Deal of the Month. For those of you not familiar with DeRosa Income Fund, it's a new way that DeRosa Group is providing passive income to investors by investing in real estate secured, personally guaranteed debt, right? A lot of words, but really what we're looking for are operators who have a very clear exit strategy, who need short-term financing to facilitate a business plan, right? And last month, we got to bring to you all a deal we funded back in July to reposition an asset, reposition a warehouse for $1.3 million. So very excited to present to you all now, kind of the opposite end of that spectrum. Another interesting business model, but a loan for $135K, so much smaller loan amount. Now, this operator is looking for funding, really construction funding, to finish construction on their brew pub that will soon open in Morristown, Pennsylvania. So looking forward to grabbing a few beers over there eventually. But this operator is looking for $135K to finish construction and facilitate a refinance on this asset that's actually already in process. So this person's in the process of refinancing, kind of greasing the skids with the banks and that sort of thing, but needs to finish the construction to make the property eligible. So very clear exit strategy. Now, they collateralize a property that they own free and clear. $342K was the asset that they collateralized, which brings our loan to value all the way down to 39.5% loan to value, which is one thing we always love to see. One thing we always target are those low loan to values. The other thing that we always look for, though, are very experienced end operators, someone with a proven track record for success, proven track record of building businesses and executing these types of business plans. And this operator has that as well, right? We love to see the $3 million in bank assets, owns 4 properties outright and numerous business entities, right? So that's the sort of thing that we always look for, is that experienced operator with a very clear business plan and ability to execute. So this person is in the process of refinancing now. We're excited to facilitate their business plan. And also the other thing that we always want to see, right, is an ability to change the asset, right? Transform the asset and transform lives to real estate, really, right? Creating a new place for people to gather, a new business for people to operate, and creating jobs, that sort of thing. So commending this operator and this business plan, looking forward to seeing it come through to execution and working together in the future as well, right? So that's our deal of the month for this month. If you guys are interested in DeRosa Income Fund, always head to DeRosaGroup.com/DIF. That's DeRosaGroup.com/DIF. And thank you to the over 30 investors in the fund already, earning 10% at a rate of 10%. So appreciate you guys, appreciate your time here, and looking forward to next month. Take care, everyone.
Hey, guys, that's me on the guitar, by the way. No, not really. All right, so a phenomenal conversation with Vinny from talking about the DeRosa Income Fund. Vinny's selling it short. We paid out 10.7% last month for the DeRosa Income Fund. And what's interesting about DIF is that we pay investors a portion of upside. With this, we are not a company that believes in just paying flat rates of return. We pay investors a piece of what we gain. So if we are able to strike a deal for a short-term bridge loan that creates jobs and things like that and transforms lives to real estate, but also returns 13, 14, 15%, we're looking at a deal right now in Dallas that's returning 15%. So those deals are out there. We share in some of that win with our investors. If you guys are accredited and you want to hear more about it, go to DeRosaGroup.com/DIF, DIF. Can't wait to see you guys on that one. Got a phenomenal show tied up for next week. If that's what we got for today, guys, for the Cash Flow Digest. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great and profitable week. Hey guys, Matt Faircloth here. Thank you for listening again to the Cash Flow Digest. I really appreciate you guys doing that. If you guys want to hear more about what DeRosa Group has to offer, go to DeRosa Group, DeRosa Group.com, DeRosaGroup.com online. You can hear about all the great things that we offer from an educational standpoint and passive investment standpoint on our website. See you there. And if you guys want to join our online community, DeRosa Insiders on Facebook, where you can watch this program get recorded every Friday at noon Eastern, and you can come on as even a guest or ask questions on the show. We hope to see you guys on our online community, DeRosa Insiders. See you there.